In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to QuickBooks Online for the very first time. This step-by-step guide is designed to make the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and head over to Google. In the search bar, type QuickBooks Online and hit enter. This will bring up a list of search results. Look for the official QuickBooks Online website and click on it. This is where you'll begin the sign-up process. Once you're on the QuickBooks Online homepage, you'll want to look for a button or a link that says something like Sign up today and get started. This option will direct you to the QuickBooks Online Advanced Setup page, an excellent feature if you aim to use more advanced functions from the get-go. After accessing the setup page, find the Get Started button. Clicking on this will take you to the plan selection area. QuickBooks offers a variety of plans suited to different needs, so take your time to review these options. Once you've decided on the best plan for your business, go ahead and click on Select Plan. The next step involves confirming your choice and moving forward in the sign-up process. There should be a Continue button, which you should click to advance. You are now prompted to enter your personal details. This part includes filling out your name, email address, and setting a password for your QuickBooks account. It's important to ensure that the information entered is correct to avoid any hiccups later on. Plus, choosing a strong password will help keep your information secure. After that, look for a button labeled One More Step. Click it to proceed to the final stages of your account setup. Now you'll need to enter your payment details. This will include credit card information and billing address. Ensure that all the details are accurate so that the account setup can be completed without barriers. QuickBooks often offers free trials, so check the billing details to see if any initial charges apply. Finally, you're ready to complete the process by clicking on Checkout. This action will confirm your subscription to QuickBooks Online